Being that I'm a veteran and just kind of spending time overseas and being exposed to that war environment, I noticed after I got out, I started realizing I had a lot of symptoms that were just kind of new to me. I was having a lot of concentration issues. A lot of things were just bothering me with, bright lights, focus issues. Then I started having a lot of headaches. My vertigo was the thing that was bothering me the most. It was daily vertigo. It was just kind of, always having to deal with that. It's been years of just going to the VA and asking them to figure out what my issues are. Maybe, this is all in my head, or I don't know what, maybe they just can't figure it out. I've done brain scans from MRIs. I've done many of those. Seen neurologists, I've seen eye, ear, and nose doctors. I've seen everything you can think of years, and just them telling me that nothing's wrong with me. And it wasn't until I, found Mind Eye Institute, and just with these glasses, it's from the moment I got here, it's just they started saying a lot of things that I am going through, and just feeling like I finally found somebody who understands, what the problems I'm dealing with and the symptoms that I'm dealing with and how to actually correct them. Because it's been frustrating to just, count on the VA and, veteran hospital, just, trying to help me out and figuring that out. So for a long time, I've always told myself, I just want to feel normal again. I would love to just have a normal life again. And it hasn't been till recently where I've actually felt like I'm actually getting my life back and it feels normal. So it's been a long road, but I'm happy where I'm at now.
When I first met Ricardo, I would describe him as fragile. He had a lot of things going on, like PTSD, from the brain injuries in Iraq, brain fog. His balance was very poor, so he constantly felt like he was going to fall. He had letter reversals, so he had this wide gamut of things that he wanted to improve. And honestly, he was so depleted that we could only go up.
I would shut down completely. There's days where my headaches would take over, my anxiety would take over, or other things that I just have dealt with in regards to these symptoms that would just completely take over, and I just shut down.
Now, had he gone to a traditional optometrist or ophthalmologist, the numbers are so small that I think that his concerns could have been swept under the rug. Like, there's nothing wrong with you, you don't need glasses. But here at the Mind Eye Institute, we use lenses in a way to change brain function. And so we gave him a prescription that was written in such a way that it stimulated his peripheral retinas, and it stimulated the right side of the hemisphere, the right brain, more so than the left.
I wanted nothing more but to feel normal again. And after wearing and going through the process of Mind Eye Institute and just wearing the glasses, for once in my life, I feel normal again. To be able just to do things that I enjoyed before and not have to worry about like, oh, this is gonna flare up, my vertigo is gonna flare up, my anxiety is gonna kick in, I'm gonna lose focus, or I'm not gonna wanna do anything, my headache's gonna kick in. I spend most of my day now not even worrying about that, and just kind of moving forward and doing things that I enjoy doing. So just feeling normal has never felt so good in a long time. So it's definitely been a life changer for me to just feel like I can move forward with my life. Every veteran I talk to, I always share this immediately. And not just because the excitement of knowing that it's gonna change their life, but because I know that there's many veterans out there that can really benefit from this Mind Eye Institute clinic. It's been life-changing for me, and I hope that we can continue helping other veterans. It's something that I really just hope we can do.
I'm actually more than pleased with the progress. I could not be more overjoyed for Ricardo. So the next steps will be to check the brain wear glasses and see if they need to be adjusted. Based on how he was touching things in space and including the bells, I would say that it's time. And he's starting to take off the glasses a little bit more, which is another indication that it's time for the next step. And we'll check the colored goggles he's been wearing, and hopefully his trajectory is just going to go higher and higher until he's back to normal, or better than normal, better than the old Ricardo.